Alright, hi guys, welcome back to PKFX YouTube trading channel. So this is a quick trade update on one trade that I've taken, which is EURJPY, and another trade entry that I just did, which is USDJPY. So EURJPY I entered a while ago. I entered based on the lower time frames. During my entry point, as we can see over here, I noticed that the market was actually shifting towards the upside. In fact, if I go to the 30 minutes candlestick, this was pretty much the shift, the engulfing candle that I saw, and I entered for a potential buy because the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour, as discussed during the weekend game plan, as a buy. So I entered here. Unfortunately, the market has already reversed from the point where I entered, and the market has been trending towards the downside. Almost hit my stop loss, but not yet. I see a potential bounce over here. Now, in order for the market to continue to the upside, I needed to come back and reclaim and break above this box over here. But upon entry at that point of time, the 1 hour was a buy. This was the lower point, which it has not broken yet at that point of time, right? As of now, it has already broken this, so the 1 hour has already turned into a sell as well. So I'm going to continue to hold this particular trade. Just one important point here that I see is the market for now, it is still holding the 4-hour EMA. It wicked below but haven't really closed below. So I'm going to continue to hold this trade. Believe that the round psychological number and the EMA can still act as a support. Now ideally I should have taken the trade once I have a clear breakout towards the upside, and then during the pullback and then a curvature towards the upside is where I'm supposed to enter. However, I would say that I entered this particular trade a bit earlier, so I would say that if I lose it, it's purely on me. I decided to take the risk because I saw the lower time frames of 1 hour that has already shifted the structure from a sell into a buy, and then I took all of this as a consolidation. And when the market was pushing towards the upside over here, I went to the 30 minutes candlestick and I saw this clear engulfing pattern. So as per my trading plan, if I saw the shift of structure for the lower time frame and a good engulfing candle, then the ideal thing to do is to enter the trade. I entered here and the market was pushing upwards. However, the market decided to reverse thereafter. So it is what it is. I'm going to continue to hold EURJPY, see what happens next. If I zoom out on a weekly candle, right, it's pretty much expected, or I'm expecting it to push towards the upside and then to have a continuous rally towards the upside, right? That's my expectation for EURJPY. Let's see what happens. USDJPY. Now this pair as well, I understand that I'm buying at a highest point over here. Actually, this is the highest point over here. And same thing over here as well. The right thing to do is to actually allow the trade to break above, and then on a pullback candle, we can enter for a trade. That is a more, I would say, not to say the right thing to do, it's a safer option to do it, right? However, the reason for the entry, I saw the weekly, daily, 4-hour is already a buy. And if I go down to the 2-hour candlesticks, I did see a shift of structure from a sell into a buy, right? And the previous candle had a very strong wick over here and then closed back above. This, I take it as the liquidity grab to liquidate all the traders down here, and then it closed back above the 2-hour EME, making it into a support, and then continue to make the shift of structure with a good engulfing candle. So I took this as a continuation pattern in an expectation that the market is going to continue to rally towards the upside. So once again, during the weekend game plan, when I explain, I always explain about the better option or the better entry point, which is to wait for it to break above and then let it pull back and then you enter, right? However, once again, I entered over here based on what I saw in this previous candle. I could be wrong, and the last thing I know, this area haven't really turned into a support. It is still acting as a resistance, and it could literally dump down. But if it does that, I have set my stop loss in a place where if it does that, then I'm completely wrong in terms of the direction, and most probably market is going to pull all the way down, right? So I understand the risk, and I'm taking only 0.5% risk from my portfolio. So it's a very small amount. I'm willing to take the risk in a bet saying that USDJPY, EURJPY, and JPY pairs, in summary, is going to continue its trend towards the upside. So yeah, that's pretty much both the trades that I am in right now. Let's see what happens in the next upcoming days. All right, thank you so much for your time, guys, and have a good day. Take care.